Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel for the second and final time today. We have another Operation Weather we're doing right now. We have a wind advisories in effect for north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. They're saying what west winds to 20 to 30 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Let's go to MPEX. Gusty winds could blow around a circling objects. Tree limbs could blow down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use an extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high profile vehicle. Circling outdoor objects. Again, this is a wind advisories in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, all on this Tuesday, excuse me, January 9th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. I did an Operation Weathers just a short while ago about we had also I just said on the last video that we also got a wind advisories in effect for western Pennsylvania and West Virginia counties until 6 o'clock tomorrow night is what they're calling for it as well. So I already read the weather, but well, let's review the forecast for tonight, and then this is officially be my last videos of the day, and this is more likely going to be it for today for Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. So it's not even windier right now. It's not raining at the moment. So let's take a look at the forecast for tonight. Again, just like we did on the last video, we're just gonna read tonight and tomorrow only. So they're saying a few showers this evening, changing over to snow showers overnight. Low 32. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Wednesday, snow in the morning will give way lingering snow showers during the afternoon. Temperatures nearly steady into the low to the mid mid 30s. Winds southwest excuse me, at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, mainly cloudy with snow showers around before midnight. Low 27. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Let's go to the Meadville forecast. Here's them for tonight. Want to make sure it says wind advisory on there. Yep. Just want to make sure. This is the last, right? Yep, this is my last operation weather we're doing, and then this is it for today. Okay, I just want to make sure. Here's the forecast for Meadville tonight. By the way, remember, if you subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular channels and Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. By the way, I forgot to tell you I forgot to do that before I even read the weather, but that's okay. So nonetheless, here's the forecast for Meadville tonight. They're saying showers early. Rain showers it is early, then changing over to snow showers overnight, low 34, southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 60%, winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Wednesday, snow in the morning will give away lingering snow showers during the afternoon. High 36. Temperatures nearly steady into the mid-30s. Winds south-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. About 1 inch of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, cloudy skies, a few flurries or snow showers possible, low 30, winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For Greenville, here's the forecast for them tonight. They're saying cloudy with snow showers developing after midnight. Low 35. Winds, southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Wednesday, snow in the morning will transition to snow showers during the afternoon. High 36. Temperatures nearly steady into the mid-30s. West-southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, cloudy skies, a few flurries or snow showers possible, low 31, southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Erie tonight. They're saying windy. Well, that was earlier. Yeah, earlier they're saying windy with a steadier rain early, then showers continuing late. Now they're saying tonight, they're saying cloudy skies becoming windy with a few showers late. Low 35. Winds southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Got a Toyota ad on there, I can see that. Here's the forecast for Wednesday. Windy. Snow in the morning will transition to snow showers during the afternoon. Temperature high 38. Temperatures nearly steady into the mid to the upper 30s. Winds south-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. And Wednesday night, windy with snow showers by midnight. Winds will diminish some later on. Low 32. Winds southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Also, is this the same wind advisory? Just like it was in Crawford? Yeah, okay. Oh, by the way, the wind advisory is going to start late this evening into tomorrow. So, by the way, so I just want to be clear on that. So, all right, where was I doing? Oh, Pittsburgh. Okay, here's the forecast for Pittsburgh. Also, I just told there is another operation weather around Pittsburgh. There's a river flood advisories in effect for Allegheny counties until 7 o'clock Thursday night. So there's a flood advisory supposed to start from this evening into Thursday morning. So to be a little clear on that. They're saying what flood cause clear exceed rainfall expected. Where Ohio River at Pittsburgh. Here's the impacts. Impacts at 18 feet. Water begins to flow to the Monongahela parking wharf. At 19 feet, water begins to flow onto the North Shore Riverwalk between the stadiums. That probably includes like between the Steelers, Heinz Field, and the Pittsburgh Pirates PNC Park. That's why there's a difference, though. That's what's the difference between. That's what between two stadiums. Iroquois Stadium, the home of the Pittsburgh Steelers, and PNC Park, the home of the Pittsburgh Pirates. So, additional details at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time Tuesday. The stage was 16 feet. Bankfull stage is 18 feet. Forecast the river expecting to reach 18 feet by early Wednesday morning and continuing rising to increase at 18 feet early Thursday morning. The river is expecting to below 18 feet by Thursday night. Action stage is 18 feet. Flood straight at 25 feet. Visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Again, this is a river flood advisories in effect for Allegheny counties until until 7 o'clock Thursday night. So I already did that wind advisory on the last video. So let's take a look of the forecast for them tonight as soon as I find it. Here's the forecast for Pittsburgh tonight. They're saying light rain mixing with a few flurries and snow showers overnight. Low 37. Winds southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Higher wind gusts possible. For Wednesday, windy with off and on snow showers during the morning. High 39. Temperatures nearly steady into the mid to the upper 30s. Winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, overcast, low 33. Southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And finally, here's the forecast for northeast tonight, and that's pretty much be it for today. Here's the forecast for northeast tonight. They're saying a steadier rain this evening with, a steadier, we'll try this again. A steady rain this evening, windy with showers continuing overnight. Low 35. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Wednesday, windy. Snow in the morning, transiting to snow showers during the afternoon. High 38. Temperatures nearly steady into the mid to the upper 30s. Winds west-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. And Wednesday night, intermediate snow showers. Gusty winds early. Low 31. Winds south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And that's it, though. They're calling for a second consecutive wind advisory, and this time it's in effect till tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. And then also I heard that the Pittsburgh's under a flood advisory around the Ohio River is what they're calling for tomorrow night. So actually it's in effect until Thursday night. So which operation weathers or what before I let you in here. This is a wind advisories for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties, and Allegheny counties are under a river flood advisory. Got it. So trying to make sure which ones are what. So. Alright, this is my last video of the night. We've been around, it's getting late out here. We've been around for 18 and a half minutes right now. So this is, and it's getting late out here now. So this is probably going to be it for tonight for Jeffrey's regular channel page. Again, we have a wind advisories in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties between north central, northeast, and northwest it is of Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And there's also a river flood advisories in effect for Allegheny counties and Allegheny counties only. I gotta see what the time, when is in effect again. Which one? For the river flood advisory. Oh, until 7 o'clock Thursday night. So again, we got wind advisories in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And we also have a river flood advisories in effect for Allegheny counties until 7 o'clock Thursday night. So supposed to call for about 40 to 50 miles per hour winds on there, and it's supposed to call for and all that, and it's supposed to call for a lot of feet of water around the Ohio River. So that's what they're calling for right now. So we're gonna get off. It's getting late out here. We're gonna be getting off for the night. And thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Again, one more time, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, alongside Jeffrey the Train Experts alongside Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. So everybody else, have a good night, and we'll be back on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more videos and potentially for some live streams, or unless if there's an operation weather comes up before 12 by midnight, we'll get back on. If not, we'll be back on if there's another operation weather by late this evening. If not, we'll be on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more videos and potentially for a couple of live streams. Talk to you then. Talk to you later.